Here we're told that Cade is saving up to buy a new gaming PC. He has $72 in his savings account and plans to save $15 each month from his allowance. They want us to write a function f of x that models the total amount of money that Cade has in his account after x months. Instead of jumping into trying to figure out what that equation is, let's think about Cade and the money he has. So at the very beginning, he has $72, and then he's going to add $15 for that first month. And after 2 months, what does he have? So I have the $72 plus 15 for the first month, plus 15 for the second month. How much does he have after 3 months? And after 4 months? Now I'm starting to run out of space. Is there another way I can write this instead of plus 15, plus 15, plus 15? Like, let's think about after 2 months. Instead of saying plus 15, adding 15 2 times, which is 30, is the same as 15 times 2. So 2 months, I'm adding 15 2 times, which is 15 times 2. After 3 months, I'm adding 15 3 times, which is the same as 15 times 3. So I'm going to multiply it by 15 3 times after 3 months, and so on. After 4 months, I'm adding 15 4 times. So that's 15 times 4. So let's think about what we're doing here. We're taking $72 and then we're adding 15 times the number of months. So now that we have a clearer picture of what we're doing, like you guys can figure out the math in your head. You could tell me how much he has in his account after 4 months. The process of trying to figure out, how did I come up with that number? That's where it gets a little tricky. So now we have figured out how we come up with that number. We're taking 72 and we're adding 15 times the number of months. So what variable should we use for the number of months? Let's look back to the equation. It's saying f of x is the total cost, so that's what this is, and x is the number of months. So make sure you use that correct variable. If you pick a different variable like m, they're going to mark it wrong. So always look to the details they give you. If they define the variables, use the variables they give you.